Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like and consider subscribing for more content. If you already subscribed, thanks for it. So in this video, we are going to learn how we can use the range. What are the problems that we face when we use range? And we confuse also. If we don't have a proper knowledge of range, then we always confuse and we try to use it and it doesn't show any error, but it doesn't give the same result which we need also. So you see that this is example. We have a one slice which have some value, and these I want to display by using range, and we have a v here displaying here. We want result 2 3 5 7 should be display. If I run this program, you see the result is 1 0 1 2 3. So result is not coming 2 3 5 7. So it is not any kind of error, but it is the lack of knowledge about range. We don't know, and we sometimes forget to use range in a proper manner. So here in range we have a two value. First is the index value, this index value, and second is a value. So we have a two value because this range return two output here. First is the index one, second is a value. So if I put here, I copy paste once again. If I put here the I, that would be the index value. This I is index 1 and this V is a value. If I display this, you will see that this is index and this is value. I can show you one more thing here, just in proper example, like this. So I remove this. So if you display like this, you will see that we have the 0 equal to 2, 1 equal to 3, 2 equal to 5, 3 equal to 7. So this is index. Index is starting from 0. So sometime we forget that this range return two value, and we use like this. If you use like this, that means it will only display the index, not the value. You see it displaying the index. So how we can use, if we don't want to take index, so we have to use here underscore like this, then we have to use. Remember, leave this, don't want to use index, but we need this value. Now if I run this, no problem, it running fine. So we have to use like this. But if I only want index, then I can remove it like this. So it will display index only. But it is not a right way to use, because it return a two value. So we have to use like this. Okay, this is the proper way to use the range. So we always remember that this range return a two value. So one we can leave by using underscore, and second we may have whatever the we want to take. We want to take index or we want to take value. And if we take only one without we forget or we don't know what kind of value the range return, and we use only one, then by default it is index, not a value. But I think it should be it should be the value. It may be more beneficial if in place of index it would be the value. But here is not like this. We have first index, second is value. So this is the proper use of range. Otherwise we will have some uncertainty in range. So that's all in this video. If you like this video, please share it, like it, and consider my channel to be subscribed. Thanks for watching this video.